I wasn't hearing anything you guys were saying because he was asking me something.
Oh,
Joby,
this guy is
can you
starts-
stop flirting for 1 second in your life? You're the
You-
biggest flirt I know.
a
And
lie.
because you're a big flirt, I have a question for all of you guys. Tell me the first time. Hi guys, welcome back to the podcast. These two idiots won't stop talking. Why are you both wearing sunglasses?
Why you wear the same bitch?
I wear it in every episode. And how can you swear?
Astaghfirullah.
Yeah, it's Ramadan. Okay?
don't trigger me.
You're Allah's
You can't
least
provoke me
favorite child.
either.
Provoke you, it seems. Okay, guys, we're going straight into the topics.
Dude, this guy
Oh
just
my
second
God.
at periods,
Tell
I'm telling
me,
you.
tell me the story.
Irritated.
Periods.
Yeah,
Oh, you're
so
saying it's in a
irritating you are.
negative way. That's
No.
crazy. You,
Manners, how are you?
You pissed
Oh
off your
my
religion.
God,
What's
yeah.
up?
You
How
pissed
was
off your
Manchester
religion
for
and
you
you
when
pissed
you
off
were
all
there?
women in the world because you asked me.
Oh my
I think he's on his
God.
periods. Manners, over to you.
Let's cancel Saliha.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll be more than happy. Now we are talking.
Dude, first of all, I wasn't hearing anything you guys were saying because he was asking me something.
Oh,
Joby,
this guy
can you
starts-
stop flirting for 1 second in your life? I beg of you.
Shut up, man. Look, we're just having.
You're the biggest flirt I know.
That is such a
And
lie.
because you're a big flirt, I have a question for all of you guys. What a great segue. Tell me the first time you had a crush on somebody in school. I'm assuming it was in school. What was that feeling like? What was that like? What was the story? Tell me. And don't say you didn't have a crush. I will fuck you all up. Man,
I feel like for them, they have to think so far back, so I'll answer first.
oh my god.
You're 21, I'm 20. 7 years difference is okay.
You're talking to the mic, you dumbass.
You can hear me, right?
She was talking into my
I
mic.
was talking into.
She was talking into my mic.
I'm always talking to somebody's
Okay,
mic,
speak,
it's
speak,
okay.
speak.
Okay.
Yeah, don't.
Yeah, do it.
बैठ
Let's
जानी
go,
चाहिए,
man.
ठीक है?
See, he didn't get so offended.
Yeah.
Really? Okay, talk.
I mean, look at the hair.
Okay, tell us.
Yeah.
Manas, go for it.
I had my first crush in 7th grade. It was, I don't know, like it was damn random. And like, the guy was in my class for a very long time. Never noticed him. But then when I was in 7th grade, I was like, oh, kind of cute actually, can't lie. And then I kind of like, I was like, okay, cute stuff. But then like some 2 months later, I was like, no need.
Why
Then
no
I
need? Your
got over
exams
it.
came up, so you're like, no, I have to concentrate on my exams.
No need.
But
it
dude,
seems.
7
Yeah.
years is too late.
Yeah, I
so-
know, right? It is too late. All of my friends had
Wait.
crushes much younger, but I
Yeah.
had it in 7th grade.
What did you have in?
You tell me yours first.
No, no, wait. Which grade did you have yours in?
Grade 1.
Oh my god, grade 1?
His name was Suhail, and I really liked him, and he liked me also. We used to say, what is it? Something and all we used to show with our fingers. and we
What,
used to
what,
say,
what
In
did you show
grade
with
1,
your
what did you
fingers?
used to show with your fingers?
Like
I
this.
love you. Haram. No,
You should show like this to each other.
something like
Bro,
that.
that's not a heart, dude.
Then?
No, I mean, the way you did it was not a heart.
Some shit like this, no, it is. I don't know what. But yeah, we used to show something. We used to say, I love you. We used to say, I love you too. We used to keep flying kissing
Oh,
you,
that's
you know.
kind of cute actually.
Yeah,
In
grade
gra-
1.
in grade 1.
And then
Yeah,
how long did it last?
grade 1.
She repeated grade 1. She repeated grade 1.
And then I went to grade 2.
Next guy.
How did Sohail break your heart?
No, Suhail didn't break my heart.
She broke his.
No, I never break anybody's heart. I can't
Okay,
do
then
that.
tell us the fucking Sohail story. And you don't interrupt.
I'm taking a page out of your book today.
No, I think I changed school after that. Yeah. In grade 1, I was in radio.
So
in
it
grade
was
2, I
like a
went to ENS.
heartbreak sort of situation.
I didn't have so much brains also to realize that it was a crush or whatever. But then right now when I think of it, I think I really liked him. He also really liked me.
Have you guys kept in touch after that?
After grade 1, sir.
Dude, I have some
so
friends from
dumb.
I have some friends from 3rd grade I still talk to.
I do too, but
they
like she
found each other
changed
on
schools
MySpace.
after 1st grade.
yeah.
Yeah, if you search him on
And
Facebook
this I
and
know which year. No, I don't know his full name.
After that, they reconnected on
Sohail
MySpace.
Mohammed, what can his name be? Sohail Mohammed. Bro, what could the name be?
Sohail Sadiq.
Yeah.
No, Mohammed
Sadiq is my
Sohail.
dad.
So what, your dad is the only Sadiq in the world?
No.
Guys, it can be Mohammed Sohail also. Like it doesn't have
Yeah,
to
it's
be.
either
his-
Sohail
You add,
Mohammed.
you add to this, okay? You add to this now.
Okay, Joby, yours. Since you were interrupting everyone, asshole, tell us your story. You so badly wanted to say it, tell us.
Nobody.
Joby, I'll beat you. Tell
Such
us.
a
If
liar,
you don't say,
man.
if you don't say
Fifth
your
grade.
story, I will say your story.
Which is my story.
I will make it up.
5th grade. In
Go
Kala-
on, bastard. 5th grade, what? I didn't ask you when.
Yeah, I would always choose to answer instead of letting him make the story. Just answer anything.
I was saying 5th grade. Wait, what can I? Yeah.
Make
What's
it
her
up.
name?
Was this girl cute or was she just like
Yeah, so yeah, 5th grade, I moved back from the US in 4th. Yeah, 5th grade. We were classmates from 4th grade onwards. Yeah, she was very pretty. Butterflies in the stomach when I saw her.
Oh my
You
god.
know her, that's the problem.
Oh, now I know I was hysterical.
Is it?
yeah.
Why? How do you know? You also had a crush on her?
No, because Siddharth also had a crush on her.
Oh no, my God, this guy's.
I told this to Siddharth and Siddharth was pissed at me.
Damn, this is gonna go beep 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 beep.
I also love the fact that people who gone to the US and lived there, they make every story about the fact that they
That
came back
they
from
came
the
back
US.
from US, right?
Like,
was thinking
I
the
just asked you
exact
when
same.
you had a crush. I
Like,
didn't ask you when you
but
came back from
honestly,
the US.
I feel like if you asked him, like, when you started dating someone, he'll be like, so I came back from the US in 4th grade, but then, like, I dated in first
Yeah.
year of college. Like,
But that's
I
also
feel
with people who newly joined gym, right?
I
They
just
also do
feel
the same.
like-
I get back from. I just got back from the gym and then I thought.
Yeah, it's like a flex.
Yeah,
It's a
that's
subtle
true.
flex,
That's
yeah.
true.
That's why I don't go to gym.
Those are the people I can.
Hmm?
No, yeah. Grade 5 was the one.
And then it didn't work out.
No, I didn't do anything about it. I was too scared to do anything about
Typical
it.
classic Joby.
Wow.
Oh my
Oh, no.
god,
Yeah,
that
that's
was
it.
kind of harsh.
No, but I also knew. I mean, Siddharth and I were classmates also at that time, and I know I kept saying Siddharth, pursue her, and nothing happened. So I was also just like, yeah, this is. I don't want to go through all that.
So you saw a brother fail and you were like, okay, he failed, so I'm not going to do anything
for
about it.
sure fail.
No, but I was also like, I don't want to date anyone. I never had this whole thought of dating anyone in school as well.
Dude, we're in grade 5. How do you know what dating is?
Exactly. So I was like, even when I was in 10th, 11th, and all that, I was like, yeah, I'm not gonna date.
Oh, nice.
Are you?
Uncle, talk.
You started in
Let's have
LKG.
the
Yeah, oh my god, let's actually talk
When
about
I was in my
Sharon's
mother's stomach.
first- was my first crush.
I think my first crush was in. I used to like this girl called Sahana in first grade.
Did your best friend like her?
No.
Sorry,
that's
just,
a,
I just got a vibe.
That's a pattern after that. I only developed that in 7th grade where if my best friend likes someone, I also like them.
In 7th
But in
grade?
first grade, I was very pure.
Wait,
Pure,
7th
yeah.
grade? We were together in 7th grade.
No, it's a joke, bastard!
Damn it. I was like, there's only 2 girls in 7th grade.
Continue.
You think that
There's only two
you
girls.
think you can't like anybody? I didn't say which crush did you have inside the school. You could have
I
crushes
wanted to-
outside
it had
school,
to be from
bastard.
School, man. It had to be from school.
So yeah, first grade, her name was Sahana, and
Grade 1 again. And then you had a problem when I had a crush on grade 1.
He's a hypocrite. Like, that's a known
I didn't have a
fact.
problem.
You didn't say no.
Wasn't your reaction? Oh my
No,
god.
but you just gotta shit on
Yeah, actually.
Continue.
And I liked her till 3rd grade, and in 3rd grade, she found like one of her friends told her that I like her, and she got really pissed off with me. She was like, "How dare you like me?"
Oh my god, what was
How
your
could-
reaction?
I was heartbroken. I still remember I was so heartbroken. I was like, I only liked, first of all, I don't know how you got this information. Because that time when you like someone, you don't tell them.
Tell
and you don't tell
people,
any of your
yeah.
friends because they'll fuck you over. So one of my friends fucked me over and told this girl that I like her. And
Are
then,
you still friends with him though?
no, I'm not friends with him. And then she found out and she was really pissed off with me for like 3rd grade and 4th grade. And then in 5th
2
grade,
years?
She had a crush on me.
Oh
I
my
was
god,
like-
and you
and I-
didn't like her
Rejected.
then?
Yeah, I was like, yeah, I'm done.
Oh
I checked
my
out 2 years
Oh,
back.
that's ultimate. Good, very good, very good.
Legend,
3rd grade and for 2 years she didn't talk to you.
She liked me for many years after that. She liked me till like
Then it's a
maybe
win, I
11th
think.
grade.
No,
Yeah.
not 11th grade.
Yeah.
Imagine.
You could have let her know.
And Sharon
No.
didn't care.
No, I didn't care. I was like, you broke 3rd grade Sharon's heart. So
There's
6th
no
grade,
way,
7th grade,
yeah.
8th grade, 9th grade, 10th grade, 11th grade, all grade Sharons will break your heart.
You actually let her.
No.
You make her do those enough. Never.
Nothing. I've never done anything. And the
That's
funny
so
thing is,
hard
when
to
we were in
believe.
1st grade, so there was this. So this is in Russia, right? So all the Indians used to stay in one area,
Yeah.
and we used to never stay in that area. We used to stay somewhere really far away from school. And my classmates and Harish used to stay in the same building, and I used to be so jealous of Harish. I'm like, this motherfucker gets to stay in the same building with her. They get to go play downstairs.
Did you
whenever they-
try and go hang out with him so that she'll be there?
I think he was.
I've tried once, but it's not that easy. It's
Yeah,
not like
yeah.
you can take a car and go.
Yeah,
Right? I'm in
yeah.
1st grade, dude. And then in 5th grade, she moved to my building.
Bro, no way. No way.
Yeah.
Write it down.
Everything was in your favor.
Everything was in my favor, but
Yeah, he's
except for
very lucky
timing.
that
Except you.
Except for timing, because she broke my heart.
Oh my god.
Yeah, this guy works on revenge, bro. It's insane.
That's really
Yeah.
something.
That's what.
Well, she broke
Like-
my heart. I couldn't get over it.
Sharon, grade 3.
Yeah, and then
Yeah.
she
Grade
proceeded to
three.
like you for the rest of her life.
Yeah. That means something.
I hope she doesn't watch this.
I hope
You didn't
Suhail
tag
watches
her
this. If you're somewhere, Suhail, please text me.
I think the time capsule break should be in love.
Yeah, I don't need.
You remember full name?
Dude, she's a family friend. I still follow her on Instagram.
Oh.
Oh, then she
She has a husband and a kid and everybody.
Oh
Dude, I'm
my
not a part of
God.
this conversation.
Yeah. count me
Like
out.
they still live in the same building. Fuck, I don't know why I said all this.
Yeah,
I mean,
what is wrong
I'll
with
bleep
you?
the name. It doesn't matter.
No, Varun, you can't.
You can't tell my editor what to do.
Varun, you can't edit this.
Okay, what is the first time you told somebody you like them? Because I have a very traumatic experience. So you guys go first. I love the silence. One of you
trying to-
fucking go.
Wait, first time?
Just
That's
try
all,
to
yeah, for me it was 12th grade.
recollect.
In 12th grade, yeah.
You told someone you like in 12th grade.
Yeah.
After 5th grade, you waited for 7 years.
Yeah.
You saw Siddharth fail and you're like, I will never tell a girl.
I couldn't handle the. I couldn't
Okay,
handle
how did it happen? Like, how did you muster the courage?
So now, this thing is, you also know who this person is also.
Yeah, I know everyone in your life. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry that I've told everything to you. But yeah. I didn't muster the courage actually. I think I liked the person. I just kept let it going like this, and I know she also liked me back. And then I was too scared to do anything. And ultimately, like, she told me like she's gonna start dating someone else.
Oh,
Oh
my
my
god,
God.
stop it.
She pulled out that card.
In 12th grade, that would just break me.
And then I was like, yeah, that's when I pretty much told that. Yeah.
No, she said she's going to date someone and you're like, yeah, it's me.
No, I didn't say yeah, it's me. I didn't have.
You're right.
Dude, you have issues. You have very serious issues.
Now we know why she didn't like you back in grade 3. Continue.
Yeah, so yeah, she told me like, yeah, since nothing is pretty much happening with her, she knew like I wouldn't make any move or make any steps. So she was
That's
like,
so bad. I hate men like that.
yeah. So yeah, she was like, I'm gonna go date. I'm my another.
Imagine you on and then just listen to
No,
it.
there was no
Someone
leading
talking.
on. We were like
You
best.
never let it on.
No, I didn't lead. No, there was no
Okay,
leading on.
where did you tell her you liked her
Tell me the
brother?
answer, yeah.
On Facebook Messenger.
Oh, dude. Don't
So she said, I'm going to date someone else and you're like, by the way, I like you.
Yeah, pretty much. That's how. That's the.
And then what did she respond?
I think she was pretty happy.
Oh, babe.
And then after that, we started dating.
Oh, you started dating.
Yeah.
So you fucked the other guy
this?
over. Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Oh,
This is
really?
not a... Sariha, it's a podcast where a lot of people watch. It is not our personal conversation. It is personal, but still.
Yeah, that's why. I said
Yeah,
it.
it's putting your personal conversation out there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But don't ask, oh, is it this person?
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah,
Okay.
it was this. Yeah, it was that.
Okay, man.
That's the first time I told someone.
I love that. I love that. Under pressure, he performed.
Oh, that was so okay.
Okay, man, as you.
Dude, I was just thinking about how he's like full blown opening up about this, and then Salia was like, ew, I don't like people like that. And I was like, oh my god.
Yeah, because
This is not
she
a
was
safe
my
space.
best friend, it seems. She was my best friend, so,
So
you keep leading her on and then
There was
so
no leading
scared.
on because we were best friends, and then yeah, he started
You
developing.
knew she liked you, right?
Feelings were there, yeah, but I told you I had no intention of dating in school, so I'm just like, but then
Why in school if you date,
that
what is
no,
it?
I
climb
was
over?
just like, I'm gonna be one of those guys who don't date. I was just gonna like,
Oh,
let's
like
see
it
what
was
happens.
just a rule?
No, there was no rule. I mean, my dad owned the school.
Dude, his dad's
it
flexible.
was no, it was more worse because dad owned the school. All eyes were on me.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Makes
That
sense,
makes
yeah.
sense. That's.
But yeah. Okay, let's go to Menas.
Shut the fuck up. Man,
Yeah, me. I think I told the guy I like him in like 8.
Wait, you told the guy?
Yeah, I told the guy.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah, in
Oh,
like.
that is the question. I've
Woman,
never done that.
woman, let her answer.
Yeah,
Woman
I
empowerment.
think like 8th, 9th grade or something. But like, I already knew he liked me. That's the only reason I went and
How
said
did you
that
know?
I liked
Like,
him.
what are the signs that
Because
somebody
like
likes you?
signs, I'm not.
With men, it's very easy.
Okay,
Bro,
let her
I don't
answer
know.
you.
Actually, okay. Like now that we're getting to this topic, okay, I just feel like everything has changed so much. Like I feel like when I was younger, if a guy liked me, it meant like he was giving you attention and time, and they're always like smiling at you or waving at you or some nonsense. But now, like, dude, they don't give you attention. That's their way of liking you.
What do you mean?
Like, it's so insane to me.
I don't know.
What do you- I don't understand. What is that? Elaborate on this.
They
No,
didn't give you
I'll break
attention.
it down. I just feel like there's some like people romanticizing being emotionally unavailable so much that like not caring is the way to show that you care, which I think is insane. Because how are you supposed to decode something like that? So I feel like it's changed a lot.
But babe, I think it's also women.
No,
in
it's also
general.
women. It's
I'll tell you,
both.
because you know why? I've seen this, okay? There would be a group of, say, 5 guys.
Yeah.
4 guys would be texting me. I will fall for that one guy who has not texted me. I think that's a
you
very
like the
girl
mysterious,
thing.
nonchalant
yeah,
one.
That's also a very good. So you can't say that.
Like, why isn't he
Been
giving
there,
me
done that. You
attention? I want
can't.
that.
Yeah, why isn't he
Why isn't he
giving
giving me
it?
attention? I want that
No,
attention.
no, that's not.
Yeah, who are these 4?
Yeah, but
That's
you know
what
that
I'm
always
interested
works.
in.
Like I'm.
Anas,
What?
that was an example.
Who are these 4 guys? Yeah, but dude, it always
She really took
works.
5 guys seriously.
Yeah.
The one who
that-
doesn't give the attention.
Yeah, that always works. Like, there have been times when we all like the same girl, but the more attention you give that girl, the girl is like loving it. The girl is enjoying. Girl is having the time of her life.
But she'll friend zone you in the end.
Yeah, she will friend zone all the people who are really nice to her, and she will
And
like
the one
guy who
that's
doesn't give a
not
fuck about her. Yeah.
exactly. Yeah, I think it's a like both side thing actually. But with men, I feel like they won't like it if a girl is too emotionally unavailable after a point.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like
because they can't try. They're
they
very
can't.
lazy.
Yeah, exactly.
What do you mean?
Yeah, why are you generalizing?
I am sorry. I'm not generalizing.
Yeah.
I'm not generalizing or doing anything. Was
I
just-
said men, and she
Yeah.
agreed. So.
Is that not generalizing? Okay, so back in the day, how did you know he liked you? If today it's very
Oh, that
nonchalant
was all
and
like
mysterious.
hearsay. I assumed he liked me because people kept saying that. So I was like, oh, okay. I mean, like, I didn't have a fear of rejection. So then I felt like I could go say it. Then I went and said it, and then he was like, yeah, me too.
What did
and
you
then
say?
I
I
was
like
like,
you. I
okay.
love you.
I said, I like you.
And the voice.
so rude. I understand that. bro.
Shut the fuck up! I'm asking you something.
Yeah.
Okay.
I said, I like you, and then he said, I like you too. And then that was it. Like,
I was like, where was this in class?
this was in school.
Not in the
Damn.
class.
I will not be giving more details.
In which part of choice school was it, Menas?
Oh my god, my mom.
Guys, her mom's also a teacher in choice school, so not teacher, principal.
What?
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Guys,
But
this is not the
current,
time
the current principal?
for this conversation. Not in
Not
Kochi,
in,
Kozhikode.
not in Tripura,
Yeah.
Calicut.
But anyway, like, yeah, I just told him I like him. He told me he likes me too, and that was literally the end of it. Like, it wasn't the start of something, it was the end of it.
Damn,
Yeah.
that's deep.
Yeah.
You guys didn't like hold hands in class?
No,
secretly?
like, nothing. Like, it just ended there.
What were you expecting? You didn't want.
I wasn't expecting, I didn't want anything.
No,
I
he
just
also
like-
You didn't want
you
to. You didn't like want to make out or anything.
No, bro. I just liked.
This is which class,
I
babe?
was in a 7th, 8th, 8th.
Eighth
7th,
makes
I don't
sense.
know.
Wait. This leads me to a very interesting question. When was your first kiss, guys?
Oh, no.
I've never kissed anyone.
Shut the fuck up, man! You piece of shit! You liar!
First year of college.
You waited till first year of college. You're like a 40-year-old virgin. First year of college.
Yeah, when was your. No, yours?
I choose not to answer.
Yours was in school for sure.
No, man, it wasn't in school.
He,
What are you
oh,
saying?
I was gonna say he didn't
If
date
you
in
guys
school,
don't
and I
answer
was
the
like,
questions, I will answer them for you.
First
For
year of
how-
college
Okay,
is
go for
very
that.
late.
Yeah, first year of
Yeah,
college. People
go
usually have a
crazy.
kiss in school.
Dude,
I'm not saying full blown baking out. I'm just saying a kiss. It could be even a peck.
no, first year of college.
First year of college.
Yeah.
Okay, how was that?
What? Why are you asking that? It's very personal.
Yeah, this person. This.
He's not asking for the weather conditions of the
Yeah.
It was
How
good,
was
I-
it? No, I'm not saying for intimate details of the kiss. I'm like, how did it feel?
It felt good.
Were you nervous before the kiss?
Dude, I didn't know it was going to happen, so.
Oh, surprise attack.
Yeah.
Okay, you.
No. Manas?
dude, I don't want to kiss anyone till I get married.
Man, this girl
Okay,
is so.
we have female
She
Fahim here.
is so.
Okay, one person has not kissed ever. One person.
Yeah, no, I'm not.
No,
you,
I,
you can,
no,
you can,
I'm
you
not.
can make those. You can make it up for you.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
His answer's no, I'm
No,
not.
no, I'm not. Yeah,
I'm
you
not.
have kissed someone in 12th grade for sure. I feel like even before that, 11th or 10th grade, you have kissed because I know
10th
you
or
liked the girl from that time onwards.
No.
12th grade. 12th grade in school.
11th
Yeah.
it is.
No.
12th.
12th? Yeah.
Why do we have to play this guessing game? Why don't you just tell us,
I don't
bro?
want to win.
Dude, it is a kiss!
It's okay, still.
Okay, guys, he kissed someone in 12th grade in his school, which his dad owns, on the classroom bench.
No chance.
Oh,
What do you.
Yeah, we
No.
cut where you say no chance, so it looks like you have kissed.
Right, next topic.
Okay. Fuck the kissing. Nobody will answer this question because nobody has kissed apparently except for her.
you.
I have kissed.
Yeah.
How old were you? Your first kiss.
We did it back in pre-KG.
My first
Started
I
early.
still remember the thing with my first kiss was, so I was very close with my cousins. One was a guy.
Oh my
one was a
god,
girl.
that is
No,
not
no,
a
I
good
didn't kiss my
start.
cousin, just
That
wait.
is not a
God,
good
Sharon,
start.
Can you stop
That
jumping the gun, you
crazy.
motherfucker? Okay, I was very close to my cousins, and my girl cousin, she kissed a guy in the 7th grade first, and I was so hurt. I was like, how could you kiss someone before I could kiss someone? And I was like, damn.
Revenge.
And then I had to wait a whole of 2 years. I was in 9th grade. It was post annual day party, and she was lying on my lap, and there were so many people. Okay, we were all watching movie. We were all watching movie. She was lying on my lap, and we were all watching some fucking Hindi movie, and I was the only 9th grader hanging out with all these 12th graders, because this girl was from 12th grade. I was in 9th.
Oh.
we're watching the movie, and she looks at me, I look at her, and suddenly she kisses me. And like 30 seconds into the kiss,
She kisses you?
Yeah, and 30 seconds into the kiss, I realize I'm kissing. I was like, "Fuck yes!" I was so
my
happy, and there were
God.
so many people in the room. That was my first ever kiss. After that, we kept making out, but it was like whatever juvenile makeout stuff. And then she gets up and she's like, "We need to go somewhere else." And in my mind, I was like, "Go somewhere else? Why? This is so comfortable." We're watching a movie. All the people we love are in this room. Why do we need to go somewhere else?
This is a meme. It's a meme. He's a living meme.
Yeah. So I was like, "Are you sure?" She's like, "Yeah, we must." I was like, "Wait, can we go in sometime? Like, this is so nice." Then obviously she wanted more than a makeout, but then I was such an idiot. I had no idea. And then I told my guy friends later, and he's like, "She asked you to go out from there." The guys who were there in that room, like everybody used to have a thing for her. They're like, "She asked you, you idiot, to go out of the room somewhere else. She wanted to go alone with you, and you said no. You want to spend time with us. Like, you're the biggest idiot we know."
Oof,
So that was the
at
first
least
kiss.
something we can all agree on.
I agree. I look back on this even today. Every morning I wake up. I think.
Oh my
I
god.
can't believe that. Sharon is so dumb.
Yeah.
But first kiss is always a mystery, no? I mean, not mystery. It's really nice, no? I think you'll never
This
forget
is
that.
not some fucking, I don't know, Khaled Hosseini book. Okay, it's not a mystery. It's just a
For
kiss.
you, I understood that.
It's
For
a
you,
kiss.
it's a revenge
It's a
story.
kiss.
Astaghfirullah Lazeem. You've never kissed, right?
Yeah, you both have never kissed fucking virgins.
Someday, my wedding day.
Dude, I can't take this girl anymore. She's too much.
I don't know what you're on about.
Okay. Since you guys were not talking about kissing, tell me the first time you told someone you liked them. You.
I've not told anyone. I mean,
You never told anyone you liked them.
No.
That shows that everything, all the problems we can see now.
Go.
When is the first time you told someone you liked them?
Oh my god.
I think grade 10. I mean, he proposed to me and I said, yeah, okay.
You said, yeah. How romantic of you.
He was like, yeah, why not? You know?
Because I didn't know. I mean, that was.
He said, I like you or I love you, and you said, yeah, okay.
No, he said he loves me. And I said, okay. See, I'm very. I was getting out of my tuition center. This guy was there. So he came and he asked me out. But there were a lot of people around, okay? And I was not shy and all, but I was like, okay, what do you. And I liked him. So I said, okay. And
Oh,
then
you
I walked
liked him,
off.
you liked him.
I liked him. So I told okay, and then I walked off. I didn't say anything much. Then he texted me at night. So then I was like, yeah, okay. Whatever, I love you too, blah, blah,
Whatever, yeah, okay.
Whatever, yeah,
She's
okay.
nonchalant, mysterious.
Oh
I can't,
my
I just can't.
God. Emotionally unavailable
Yeah,
101.
emotionally unavailable woman.
Habibti, saying I love you is not being emotionally unavailable. Let me tell you that.
No, it's
No,
whatever-
the yeah,
it's
okay,
the
whatever. It's the yeah,
whatever
okay,
that comes
whatever.
after it.
Not the I love you.
No, but
I love you, yeah, whatever.
yeah, but
Nonchalant.
I don't think I've told.
Chill vibes.
So you have never proposed or told anyone you liked
I
them?
never had the courage to. Never, not. But
Did you ever want to?
Because you knew rejection was
Oh my
there
god,
for sure.
Sharon, you
No.
sound like such a gossip monger. Like, I
I am.
understand you like host the
But one
podcast,
thing I'll
but
tell you, every time I've seriously had a crush
Like
on
he-
someone, that someone has proposed to me. So I never had to
Oh,
make the
flex.
first move. Yeah.
Other
That, yes.
hectic.
That's a, what? No, but that, yeah, that I've seen in my life. I've not done anything about it, but then, yeah.
But yeah, like you're just like squeezing out gossip from wherever you can.
Yes,
like,
it's my
don't
job.
you have any other interesting topics?
He
No,
thrives on it.
when I'm done with this topic, I'm done. If you guys just give me answers, then I won't have to keep asking you.
I gave
Now
you
I-
straight up. I straight
Everyone
up gave you
gave
the answer.
answers. It's over.
Motherfucker, you never told me when you kissed.
But I was the first one to jump on the love thing.
Bro, this is not a give and take.
No, this relationship is only give and take.
I got whatever I wanted, I guess. At least what I wanted most. Okay, this is a topic, Sally, I really like, which is why I included it.
Makeup.
No, not makeup.
We already talked about that.
Food.
Food.
If you had to eat one food for the rest of your life, what would it
Chicken
be? and why?
biryani with extra
Can I
masala.
finish the question, you fucking loser? What would it be and why?
Chicken biryani
And
with extra
no,
masala.
okay. When I say what, I can't believe I'm going through a podcasting class while we are running a podcast. What would it be and why? So I know you will say chicken biryani, and you will look at me like I'm an idiot. This motherfucker will say pizza. You have to say
Wow.
why.
Why? Because
what,
that's my
how.
favorite.
It's a conversation. I am not an interviewer interviewing you. Okay?
Why don't we make today's podcast like that?
No, don't tell me what to do. Just fucking answer my
You know what?
question.
Let's all gang up on him right here.
Oh, you don't tell me what to do.
Yeah, fight back.
Okay.
Okay.
I feel like we should do top 3.
Oh, yeah, actually.
Oh no,
There's
first
more
we,
conversation.
Yeah, we
going
start
on.
with Naina's.
yeah, you think.
Yeah, let me think.
Okay.
But only one.
Only one.
Yeah,
Okay,
then
fine.
we can talk about
If it's
how-
one, it has to be dosha, but like the dosha that my chechi makes at home, like that specific dosha, not anywhere else. Like, and I'll tell you why also. Because like from when I was so young, like I was always, I feel like this is getting too deep for food, but I'll just answer. Yeah, like I don't know. I just have this distinct memory of associating dosha to home. Like when I come back from school or like anything, like it's just the first thing I think of or the first thing I want to eat. And when I was like studying in Manchester also, like I would look forward to when I came back to eat that. So I associated a lot with that. So I think I could eat that for the rest of my life.
Dosha, you both keep quiet. Dosha and what?
Tomato chamandi and sambar and sometimes little masala also.
All of it mixed.
Just
What
one
masala? With dosha?
like potato masala.
Oh.
Potato masala.
I just want to say, guys, I asked Manas, how was it the first time you liked someone? She's like, yeah, I told him I like him. Manas, what is your favorite food? Yeah, it is the dosha. It is the feeling when I come home. It reminds me of home and my culture. And
It does. It reminds me of my culture so much, guys. I feel like that should be a topic of conversation today. I just love this culture. I love Kerala.
okay, we'll talk about Kerala. Calm down, Miss Home. Okay, dosha.
Dosha la jo bhi.
But why tomato chutney? What is tomato
Tomato chutney
chutney?
is really nice. The red color one, the paste
Yeah,
one.
yeah.
Okay.
I know a lot of people like coconut chutney. It's nice only, but
The white color one, right?
yeah. But this just with sambar.
Saria sees it as white color one and red color one.
Yeah, there's white, red and green is also
Yeah,
there. I
there's
don't know what
green,
that
but
is.
green
That's
kinda
Indian
made.
flag. It's Indian flag.
Yeah.
No, there's a green chutney. I don't know the name, but I know the color.
Okay, sir, Joby Johnson,
I don't
please
think
sunna
that's-
answer or you
I'm
Mairi.
She was still talking, man.
See, I'll tell you.
She's done. Oh, okay, she's done.
No, like he said, I don't think I have such an elaborate answer.
Yeah,
but
something
I'm just saying,
emotional.
like that's how you make conversation, right?
I
Like,
love it. Thank you so much. Yeah.
I love
Please learn from her.
No, I
Why
can't.
should
That is an example of an answer. Chicken biryani.
Dude, I just love what I love. I don't. There is no. See, you can't. You should never ask someone why you like something.
Yeah, but in here, I love to ask.
Okay.
It's okay. This is why you're flying back to Dubai tomorrow.
Yeah, khalas, alhamdulillah.
Now
You
they
tell me
will
what's your
talk.
favorite
Now
food.
they'll talk about everything else except for the fucking question
Yeah,
I've
do it,
asked.
do it.
you.
Joby,
Yeah.
answer.
Why you? Okay, fine.
Okay,
yeah,
answer.
I mean, he
You're
knows.
making love with it, but you answer it. But he can't answer about
I
it.
answered
What do
about
you want
love.
me to ask,
I did
motherfucker?
say about love. I was the first person to answer.
He'll
I'll
answer
answer
about
about
the
the
school.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can talk about.
Yeah, I know that. Okay, go on.
Shush. Answer.
Yeah, so he knows it very well, pizza. But I don't have an emotional description. But yeah, any day. I guess in my whole family also, pizza is the thing. It's the one dish we all go back to.
Which
we-
pizza?
Pepperoni.
Okay. Do you like thin crust or like the normal?
I like the normal crust.
Okay.
I like a man. I said, do you like the thin crust?
Is that thin crust for you or what?
No, I like
The
normal.
normal?
Yeah.
I like thin
Oh, I
crust.
hate thin crust.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
I,
love-
hate thin
I
crust.
either
It just
thin
doesn't taste
crust
like
or the
pizza.
cheese stuffed crust.
Yeah, cheese stuffed is also
Oh,
nice.
cheese stuff is too much. I feel like it's too heavy.
Yeah, and you go back to pizza.
He loves pizza,
Yeah.
but like heavy
I don't
is
need
a
to make the
problem.
pizza even heavier.
Yeah, pizza. What pizza? From
Pepperoni
where?
pizza.
From
normal-
where?
Huh?
From where?
Well, in Kochi, I think it would be from P60. No, Coco Trees pepperoni. I like. I've not tried the other new places, but when I was in the UK, same Manchester represent. It was Pizza Hut's pepperoni pizza. Oh my lord!
Oh my god, that was actually really
It
good.
was
though.
so
Yeah?
good, man.
Is pizza better in the UK than Domino's?
Pizza Hut's pizza to me was
Well, I actually like Domino's better.
Domino's sucks. but
No,
I've had
I like
Domino's.
Domino's better. Like in Manchester, we would always order in Domino's more than Pizza Hut.
I used to order Domino's more because they had better offers, but Pizza Hut's pizza used to just hit different for me.
Crazy.
And yeah, like this is how much I love pizza. Like how I describe people. Like when people say, "Why do you love it so much?" and I'll just be like, God created the world in 6 days, and on the 7th day when he was resting, he created pizza and set it down with his angels.
Oh
Damn.
My
god.
God.
And he told me he doesn't have an elaborate
Yeah,
answer.
elaborate emotional answer.
What was
No, you're
that?
too good, bro. Too good.
That was so emotional.
Like,
That's
how-
too good.
That made
how-
my dosha look like shit.
Yeah.
That's how beautiful the pizza is.
It was so nice.
Oh,
Well spoken, daddy.
Yeah, thank you. All right,
You-
biryani girl,
yours,
let's
Chicken
go.
biryani time.
Chicken biryani time, I think. See, my mom, the masala she makes, right? I've heard a lot of people come and ask her for the recipe. Okay, she might be pissed. Okay. But then she'll give the recipe, okay? Whatever she puts on, proper ingredients, everything she'll give.
One secret
And then
ingredient she leaves
Yes.
out.
And then she'll come back to the hall room and she'll say, there's one thing I haven't told them.
Yeah.
And I'll never tell that to anyone. And I always remember asking, Mama, before you die, can you tell me? And she's like, I'm not dying that soon. And no, you will never make a biryani, so it's okay. This used to be her answer. But I remember anything, babe, school. The moment I get back from school, especially during Fridays, okay? If it's Juma, then it has to be with a chicken biryani. So I like chicken more. I don't like mutton or beef and all. So when I'm sad, if I'm really sad, she can't get me out of the room and all. The dum when she opens, bro, oof. I think I can have that for the rest of my life. Every day I can eat it non-stop.
He's come floating out of the room.
I'm hungry. What time is it?
But what is the secret ingredient?
Dude, she'll never tell anyone.
It's love, isn't it?
It's love. I was gonna say it's love.
It's love. It's mother's love.
And then the mother's
Love
like, yeah, you think.
It's not love.
Sun-dried
Should
tomato.
we? I don't know.
Maybe it's like cocaine, the way you're addicted to it.
Josh, I think me and my brother. For Neha, it has to be the prawns biryani that she makes. So that's.
Oh, I love chemin biryani. I think
Yeah?
it's so yummy.
Instead of curry leaf, she puts kanjal.
What?
That's to get you in.
Mama, like, hearing this. I don't know.
I asked her a simple question. Now she's talking about what biryani her sister likes. I just want to run my podcast. I just
One
want the answers of the people in this room.
What is your favorite food and why?
Oh, thank God.
You're welcome.
Someone
So
can.
my great grandfather was not alive. He loved Italian pasta. Fucking
Pasta is your favorite?
no, that's my great grandfather. My favorite is, I think if it's one meal I have to have for the rest of my life, it's butter naan and chicken tikka.
Shit, I was gonna guess it. I was gonna say this only.
Yeah, butter naan and chicken tikka. But like for me, I feel like more important than food is what you drink with it. So
Red Bull or Pepsi?
Coke, man.
Coke,
Sick.
Coke,
Pepsi
yeah.
is disgusting. But Pepsi, if you want to collaborate with us, I'm ready. Yeah, Red Bull or Coke. But like, yeah, I could eat that for the rest of my life. Like chicken tikka, like it just melts in your mouth.
I know what you're talking about though, because right after that, when you take a sip of Coke, like
Yeah, the
it
Coke,
just hits
oof.
different. Like with the, I get it, I
Right,
get
right.
that.
No, I don't know why. I just had this.
That's a weird thing about Saliha. Saliha likes all the junk in the world, but she doesn't drink aerated drinks for
That's
some reason.
real.
I've only tasted it once in my entire life,
That's
by the way. And then I
crazy,
think I've
bro.
taken some sips.
So what do you drink,
yesterday
like-
she tasted Red Bull for the first time.
First time yesterday.
So if you're like going to, like if you're getting like, would you get like a lime fizz, like that sort of a thing? Nothing, just water.
Mojito.
Lebanon up, probably. I usually have Lebanon up all the day. But if I'm going out with friends or something, fresh juice. Any day, anytime.
Huh.
I don't.
But why? You just don't like the taste, or what is it?
Yeah, I don't like the taste.
You don't like the taste of Coke?
That's crazy, bro.
I'm asking you,
No, I
motherfucker. Do you
don't.
like the taste of Coke?
I don't. I was just thinking. Do I remember the taste of Coke? No, I don't. I just can't take it.
No fizzy drinks at all.
None.
Like
Nothing.
mojitos also.
Mojitos.
So what about like Limca? Because that's kind of fire.
I've never tasted
Limca
Limca.
tastes like fucking.
I
Oh
love
wait,
it.
Toilet
one
detergent.
drink I used to,
How do you
one
know what
thing
that
I-
tastes like?
It's the smell, bro. You can smell the
I know.
detergent and you can smell Limca. It's the same smell.
So my
Taste.
friends back in college used to give me thumbs up,
You like thumbs up?
which yeah, I used to like it at one point, but then again, I just can't. I don't know why. I just never.
But
liked
like fizzy drinks, like do you like lime soda and stuff?
it. Lime,
like
maybe sometimes.
Sarbat.
Sarbat I don't like.
That's crazy. Like, yeah,
I'm very shook.
for me,
I didn't know
For me, more than food, it's the
the
drinks.
drink.
But for me, it has to be other fresh juice, or shakes and all. I love.
Bro, I just want dosha now.
Dude, I need biryani, bro. What's the time?
I'm okay.
Yeah, two fasting, two girls fasting, and this is what you talk about food.
She's not fasting.
Khalas, okay.
Okay, guys.
Great.
Next topic, so we can shut the fuck up about
Thank
food now.
you.
This guy brings the topic and he asks us to
Yeah.
shut up out over it.
If you want to,
If you want to,
Sorry, I got a spelling wrong, so I was going to say it that way. Okay, you guys are old enough. You guys are soon going to be thinking about settling down in a certain country. What would that ideal country be where you would want to settle and live for the rest of your life if you had to live in one country? I don't want answers and just one word. I want elaborate explanation. Manas, go first.
Back when India got independence.
okay. But if I like answer two places, will you start screaming?
We'll hear the first place.
Okay, cool. So I really want to like. I always thought I knew I wanted to live in Europe. Okay, at some point, but then I started thinking about like when I settle down, would I like to live there? And I know for a fact I want to be able to come back to Kochi when I want, because like I can't fully move to another place. But if it were, then I'd really love to move to Barcelona. Like, I just really see that.
Why Barcelona? Like, what do you
So
like about
basically, I'd never seen Spain until second year of college when we went there with friends, and like most cities like that I travel to, I'll reach there and I'll be like I love it, I'll have a great time, and that's it. And I look forward to going back as well. Like, I can never stay somewhere for too long. But then with Barcelona, I just feel like when I reached there, like I was like, oh my god, I never want to leave this place. Like, I liked everything about it. Like, I liked how lively the streets are, how people are always walking around, like, and I really like Spanish food. And like, there was just so much around it that made me so excited to be there. So like, I really think I would see myself settling down there, at least right now when I think of it.
Are Spanish people nice? Are they sweet?
Uh, I think if you know Spanish, they're sweet. I didn't know Spanish. I'm gonna say
they're
that right
sweet.
now. They're fine, like they're whatever. They're not like mean people, so I'll take it. Yeah.
Okay. What's your second answer?
It's actually
Pakistan. This has to be something insane.
Shut up.
Why is she hiding it?
What is it?
I'm not.
Afghanistan.
What is
I'm
it?
not.
Iraq.
Let her talk.
I'm not hiding it. It's just a clear
Syria.
answer. Like,
Syria.
it would be Dubai.
Oh, duh.
Like, it's not a crazy answer.
Why Dubai?
I feel like if I get to a point where I'm financially stable, it'd be a really great city to live in because it just has everything under the sun. I feel like it is one of the most like put together cities in the world. Like, there is just nothing that's not there. It's crazy. So I'd love to live there.
Fair answer.
Charan, you answer.
No, Joby, you go.
No, we'll go this way, man.
Oh my god, this motherfucker kill him, bro. I feel like,
Should I answer for him henceforth?
yeah, just
you
whatever. Let him not talk only. Let him just shut the fuck up and keep quiet, and we'll talk for him.
No. Khalas, talk.
Did I say I won't answer? I just said you answer. No.
Shush, Baba. No.
Okay, Salia, go for it.
That was
Okay,
an
no,
answer.
I'll go. Just like Manas mentioned, Dubai would be definitely one place I would love to live in.
Yeah.
But I feel like to live there, I feel like you need money to live
Money
anywhere.
to live there.
But you need a lot of money to live there, and I want to live
Yeah.
comfortably wherever it is.
No, 100%. Yeah.
But I feel like it's an ideal place in terms of like I feel like technically all rich people in India, I just don't understand why they're still here. Like, they should just move to Dubai because life
Dude,
is
the quality of life, if you have money, is insane.
it's so much. Like, dude,
Yeah.
like people in Bombay talk about like the real estate in Bombay is insane, right?
Yeah.
People buy like really expensive houses for 100 crores, 200
Yeah,
crores,
yeah.
whatnot. It doesn't matter what house you have, bro. When you leave the house and you first take the step outside your gate, you are in shit. There's construction
Literally.
happening. There is chili. There is whatnot. Like,
Yeah.
things are falling apart.
That I
There's
agree,
traffic.
like-
There's bad air.
Yeah.
In Dubai, it is just so much better. You want to go cycling, you can go cycling. There's a track built for cycling. There's like shopping. It's a paradise. Any sport you want to pursue, it's a paradise. Any concerts, it's incredible. Cars,
like, it's
everything. Yeah.
crazy. If you have that kind of money, like, I don't know why you would settle for anything less than that quality of life.
Yeah,
Like,
it's clean. It's safe. It's just.
yeah, it really is.
I mean, they sometimes say, "Oh, the weather is not great there." Just stay inside, bro. Switch on the AC and stay inside. Like, don't fucking complain about it. If you are to go outside in Bangalore, you'd die in the traffic. So Dubai is one, and I feel like, yeah, I feel like that's my only answer. Like, I would also love to live in Europe
Yeah.
and stuff, but like, I feel like just the comfort wise.
yeah, no, 100%.
Like I've heard places in Europe which close by like 5-6 like grocery stores and stuff. Like I can't
yeah.
think of that. I like
Yeah.
another thing
and
I
it's
like
like
about
full
Dubai.
walkable city as
Yeah,
well.
another thing I like about Dubai at 2, 3, 4, 5 every time
That's
there's
true,
somebody
yeah.
awake. There's a coffee shop open. There's like shops open everywhere.
Yeah.
So I feel like that's very important for me.
Yeah.
So I guess Dubai is the place. Joby sir, please answer, sir. I beg
I
you,
don't
sir.
like this attitude, man. For me, London. London was always my dream city. I don't know why or how, but I remember when I was studying in Switzerland, when during the midterm breaks, I used to travel to London, and it was just the vibe that I got from the city. I love city life, and it was like busy. I love using the whole public transport, traveling around. It was like you're living in Harry Potter, doing all that. So using the tube, using the buses, and just staying in the middle of the city. We used to walk around so much, amazing food, so much different cultures, and it's like you walk and the city's still not done. And I don't know, it was always, I just used to get so excited going over there. I've been there like 3 times. I even dragged mom and dad also there once. And then I was just like, dude, I'll never get done with this place.
But do you like the weather? Like, is the weather something you would?
No, I mean, weather, yeah, obviously it's very bipolar, no, beyond bipolar. But I guess I got used to it because I lived in the UK for a year. So,
Of this topic, actually, like, did you like studying in Manchester? Did you want to study in London? Like, was that something that crossed your mind?
so actually, initially, I was looking for London.
Yeah.
But then I was like, I don't want to spend that much money
Right.
and all of
yeah.
that. I think Manchester.
Yeah, but when you were studying there, like, was it something you thought? The reason I'm asking you is because, so there's this like generic thing, like a uni student thing, where like people in London think like, oh yeah, like everyone else is just doing something, and then like people
Having
in
a
London
life
are like
there, yeah,
having the
cool.
biggest best life, which obviously it's a big city, like has a lot of exposure, makes sense. But then like for me personally, when I was studying in Manchester, like my favorite part about it was that it was a student city.
Yeah.
And that I didn't have like the whole, like I'm just a student in a big city. Like it was the student city to like every extreme. Like there was always student activities. Everyone was a student. The life itself was altered to that. And obviously that would reduce the exposure from somewhere like London. But I do think like it was a really nice like introduction to it. Like, so that's my point of view. So I was just wondering, studying in Manchester, did you ever think that you wanted to experience that as opposed to this?
No, not really, because I mean, I think for me, what made Manchester was I had a really good set of friends.
Yeah.
So because of that, we always made sure we kept ourselves busy.
Yeah.
And I mean, like, we would go out Friday nights, come back home Saturday morning. That was it. It was just us partying and doing our own thing.
Yeah.
And, Monday to Friday was class.
Yeah.
But there was never a moment in any of us that we were like, oh, why didn't we choose university life in London?
Makes sense.
Plus, but I still did tell all my friends, like, if I could, like, as a place to live, I would choose London over Manchester any day.
Yeah.
And they all like used to be like, oh, what are you saying, dude? This is Manchester. And I was like, no, you go there, you'll understand. And now 2-3 of them are living in London only.
Oh.
But yeah, that way, London. If I had a second choice, Amsterdam.
Just want to get higher.
No, I've never smoked in my life. But
You don't have to give disclaimer.
no, man, I have to give disclaimer. I run a school.
He's not. See, he's not.
No, but I don't know. There was Amsterdam also. Like, it's obviously not as busy as London, but it's like you have a city, but at the same time, it's not a city to that extent. It's like it feels a lot more cultural, I guess, than what London is. And the people were really nice in Amsterdam.
No, the Dutch are nice.
Yeah, I mean, from what we experienced, I was only there for like 5 days, but lovely set of people, good food, and I just like how the whole. Again, it's a cycling city. I mean, I think there's more cycles than there are people
You
over
like
there.
cycling?
I mean, it was fun with my friends, and like the weather is also nice. But I feel like Amsterdam or somewhere in the Netherlands is a nice place to live.
Actually, when you say London, I would also love to live in a place where like there's a lot of like football happening.
Culture.
Yeah,
I
football
was thinking
culture,
the
yeah.
same thing when you said your answer. I was like associating it to that because I was like, the culture's so big that I thought you'd like to live there.
Yeah, like now when I
Yeah.
think of it, like a place like that would be really nice to live in because I don't really like doing that many things. Like I don't like partying, clubbing and stuff.
Yeah.
But like knowing that I could go for a cricket match or a football match and
yeah.
just like know, okay, on a Thursday or fuck on a Saturday I can go for a football game.
Yeah.
That's true.
That would be really.
And I think even
Fun.
like, because like the streets and stuff get so lively every time there's a big match or a big
Yeah,
rivalry
yeah.
going on.
Okay, so
Be a
then you
great
said
place to
football
be.
culture. Then which country? Like obviously in Europe.
No, I still choose Dubai. I'll just fly to.
Or just
I'll
keep
just
flying?
fly. I'll just fly, bro.
I mean,
Yeah,
if he's
that's-
I
settled
want-
in Dubai,
yeah.
I'm sure he has the money to just fly and go where he
Yeah,
wants.
I feel like Dubai, you need to have stupid money to be like rich. Like it's quite fucking expensive. Like everything is expensive there. Like,
That's not true.
dude, it doesn't make like I'll tell you how expensive Dubai is.
Yeah,
Dubai,
tell me.
like okay, obviously I can only speak for things which I really like. Example, take a jersey, take a T-shirt,
There we have a problem. But Sharan,
take a T-shirt.
you find that expensive because you earn right now in rupees.
No.
When you start earning in dirhams, it's
Bro,
not a big
it's
deal.
not about no. That's not what I mean by when I say it's expensive. If I can get the same jersey or T-shirt in India for 5,000 rupees, and if I pay 18,000 rupees in Dubai, that is called stupidity. It's not because I earn more or earn less, and that is everything. You want an
You can't
Armani,
travel.
you want an Armani T-shirt. It is cheaper anywhere in the world except for Dubai.
That's true, actually.
Everything you want a Louis Vuitton belt, it is probably more expensive in Dubai more than it is in
The
India
US,
or US or
India,
anywhere
yeah.
else.
He's got you there.
It is not about the money you make. It is like okay, you.
Yeah, I mean, I'm
make-
sure,
It's the
like,
value
to
of the
some
money,
extent,
It's
I
the
feel
value
like
of the money, yeah.
the part plays where you make less money in India as opposed to Dubai. But I feel like the expense at the end of the day is still the same. Like,
Yeah, but you know what, babe? after, see, okay, when you settle down there completely and finally, okay, not like you going and coming back. So for me, if I'm gonna shop something or anything of that sort, I don't look at online prices or anything of that sort. See,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
live the,
But that's what he's saying. Like the value of money is because you know the prices in other places. When you don't know the price in other places,
Yeah,
That's
when
the
you're-
price you
when-
pay.
Yeah, but when you're an idiot living in one fucking this thing, yeah, you will pay anything. You'll pay 1,000 dirhams
She
for
just
one.
became
fucking-
expressionless.
You'll pay.
like
See,
for
you need to know-
example, bro, even
No, I understand the difference because see,
Yeah,
I tell
yeah.
you, the bag, the coach bag, right? So I remember shopping from Dubai Mall. Let it be, it's okay. So in UAE, I remember, so I randomly went to Dubai Mall and then I saw this. It was some 1,800, 900, something like that. I went to the US and I got this for $99.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Yeah.
pricing doesn't make sense, bro.
It doesn't make sense.
Like my
Like,
friend
it's
bought
so
me a jersey,
insane,
a player authentic version. It's 18,000 rupees. 18 fucking K.
And here it will be.
9,000 rupees. If you add shipping also, it's 10,000 rupees. Like I have seen, like I know the people who work at Adidas here in Dulu Mall. They're like, bro, anytime a jersey comes, the people who are buying it are Arabs because they're like, dude, this is dirt cheap. Like we don't even, not just Arabs, people who are living in Dubai who come here on their
It'll be
weekends.
like it'll be cheaper to get a flight, come here, buy the jersey and
Yeah,
go back.
because it is so cheap in Dubai. Everything is expensive.
Yeah.
Like a normal T-shirt, white T-shirt will be
Dude,
100
even,
dirhams.
yeah, even like shoes, like if you're say spending, I don't know, like 7K, 8K to like 10K here, you're spending like some 18K there for that same shoe, and you're like, why will I do that? It's
Wait,
crazy.
I don't know how to answer this question, but I never understood see, when you live in a country,
And-
when you've
and
lived
you-
in a country for a very long time,
Yeah, yeah,
And
no,
you-
100%.
You,
You
yeah,
just
yes, you
don't
become stupid.
compare.
Yes, you become stupid.
you just don't compare.
You ju- how
You're-
can you?
'cause
How?
you don't have anything to compare with.
Yeah.
You've been in that country for how many years?
Yeah,
now?
but dude,
20,
you just
I'm
you,
20.
That's the
yeah,
thing, like-
you just understood, right? You got your coach bag for 99. Why do you
For
want to
which
spend?
I had to take a visa ticket and then travel
No,
all the
okay,
way to
that
US
is-
and
Yeah,
that
but
come
you
back.
could
back.
also
So this
ask
is
your
US.
you could also ask your sister to get the bag, and then when
I
she
want to
comes,
meet her also.
No, but let's
Yeah,
go.
okay.
I mean,
That's
what,
not the
what
point
about
here.
some other place also? It doesn't have to be the US as well, right?
No, but you can't just say the country is very expensive. It's a very
It is an expensive.
it
country.
is expensive.
But it is expensive. It's not an offensive thing. It's just that people, like you, have stupid money
I
to
feel
live
like
a high
no,
quality
I don't
life.
have
is
no,
okay.
but I also
No,
feel like
not
it's
you.
expensive because they are smart. Like
Yeah.
obviously, people there are not idiots.
Yeah, yeah.
They are like everybody who's coming from outside are idiots. So we can charge anyway. They are all coming here. There is nowhere else to go. There is not a single city like I was just recently having a conversation. There is not a single city like Dubai, which is as multicultural,
Exactly,
which is
yeah.
as welcoming to everyone in the world.
Yeah.
It is truly, I think, the only global city in the world. So they're like, we can charge whatever the fuck you want. The Britishers are coming, the Americans
fair.
are coming,
Like,
the
you want to
Indians
buy,
are
come and buy.
Whoever's
Whoever
buying
don't want
it.
to buy, we don't give a
Bro,
fuck.
if everyone under the sun is coming into the country, you might as well like charge them some
whatever, yeah.
exorbitant amount.
But that
yeah.
doesn't mean it makes sense.
It just means that they're smart.
we as Indians are price conscious. We know, okay, this is cheaper here,
Yeah.
this is more expensive here.
With
But
Dubai
if you have like
economics.
fuck you money, obviously it doesn't matter where you buy, whatever you buy.
100%.
Okay, before we answer your question of where your ideal city is, we can break your fast.
So I never had an ideal city to settle down in or place to live in. Okay, for me it was always home, UAE, Sharjah that is, and I always wanted to visit a lot of places and come back, but again come back home. I never saw myself live anywhere other than UAE. I can't. I don't know why. That place feels. The problem with UAE is, once you're there, right, for a very long time, you'll realize there is only so much you can do there. As in, it gets very monotonous. Life gets very monotonous, especially if you start working. How much will you party? How much will you go out? How much will you? You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah.
But still, when you so this time before traveling, I was like, I need a break. This can't be blah blah blah. And then I came here, right? First 2 weeks, I remember I was like, yeah, everything is different. Life is good, blah blah blah. And then I started missing home.
Yeah.
Like I really miss the place. I just want to go back somehow or the other.
Yeah.
But if you stay in a place anywhere it is, you'll get bored, right? Like if you.
Yeah, 100%.
That's not.
And like I
One thing I understood about India, this is my understanding, I'm not sure. Like my cousins and all, they always tell me, the ones, my dad's side of the cousins, okay? They're in Kochi, they tell me, I've never heard them repeat a place, or they keep going anywhere, and this country is so big. You know what I mean? What do we do? Okay, after the entire city life, a getaway, Jebel Jais. Jabal Hafiz, Jabal Yanal, Jabal Yibr. That's it. Or what? Some Wadi. Or
Jabal Jabba.
or some Saudi. Jabal.
Jabal Jabba, Jabal Jabu.
He sounded like Dilip from
Speak to the mic.
some movie. There was this movie Dilip is in. He says Jabba Jabba all the time.
Okay. Go on.
But yeah, otherwise they're Saudi, Bahrain, Oman. You just go like that to the bordering countries and come back. But
You
That
have
is
an
it.
option to get in the flight and go to like South
Yeah.
Africa also.
but
Ooh.
Okay, like just say you have to live somewhere else other than UAE.
other
Where
than-
would
yeah,
it be?
Great.
oh,
Just
Like
imagine.
right now, off the top of your head, it doesn't have to be something you've been thinking about.
I think I like San Francisco a lot.
Okay.
San Francisco.
Yeah.
San-
The
what
terrain
the
was
fuck
so
is this?
pretty. That's how the place is.
There's no this is like this.
It's like this. It's literally like that.
I mean, it's like this.
No.
I
like
thought
the
she was
terrain.
referring to the waves.
Yeah.
No.
So
The terrain. It's really
You chose
nice.
a place for the terrain.
Yeah. It was nice. Nothing else. I get everything else in my
Sharon,
country,
you
my
can't
home.
judge her now. We said off the top of
Yeah.
our head.
That was really off the top of my head, bro. That was so top
Yeah,
of my
it
head.
was so
It went over our heads also.
That's the only place I could come up with. I can't see myself live anywhere else. I don't think so. For me, home
Okay,
is
but
home.
if
No,
there
I
was
feel
a
like
place,
even for me, I think even South Africa, I think the red soil there is. This is what she just sounded like. If I were to give an answer,
yeah.
the red soil, the terrain.
And the weather. The weather there was great.
Like,
It's
what's the
so
weather?
cold all the time. I just love it.
In San Francisco.
Yeah. Whenever I went, it was really
Whenever.
cold.
How many times did you go?
Cold
many times
all
did
the
you-
time.
I was
whenever
there 6
went.
days.
6 days continuously
It
one
was
time, no?
so nice.
It's
No,
so
it was
cold
very
all the time wherever I went for 6 days.
It was actually really cold. All 6 days was really cold. and windy
You went
and
in like
It's you know what that you know
December.
what that's
Yeah.
called when all 6 days it's called when it
Cold.
when all 6 days
over, man,
it's
it's
cold.
over.
It's called a season.
In UAE, it's always hot. Winters are there, but
UAE only has one season.
Yeah, it's just fucking hot.
hey.
It's hot and it's fucking
No.
cold.
November until February is cold.
2 seasons. Where's the other 2?
There's only
Sharon
summer
went
and
in
winter
November,
there.
came back in February.
Yeah,
It was not cold.
yeah, it is fucking cold.
Yeah.
It's
No,
getting
the
cold
thing is that
everywhere.
Ah, that's true.
He gets
Please.
cold in the car.
French toast is fucking cold for him. What are you
The
talking
weather,
about?
I don't like this weather in Dubai.
Eh?
Like I don't mind the heat, but the cold is.
Oh, I
like,
love the cold. I
Same
love
here.
it.
It's too windy. It's
so
too windy
nice.
for me. Like I keep falling sick.
That's
Like
your
it's
problem.
cold, but it shouldn't be windy. You know.
It should be windy. Otherwise, how will you know it's
That's-
cold?
I feel like any vlog I've seen you post after you go to Dubai, the first part is just you being sick.
Yeah,
I'm sick.
it's
I'm always sick in
always,
Dubai.
bro. Like he'll be fine for one day. Next day he's wearing a hoodie. He has
Or-
10 tissues in his hand.
Or he reaches Dubai and he's just incognito for a week.
That is also there.
That's true. Yeah.
But when
He's
we
just
come
like
to Dubai,
bedridden.
we always have fun because there's celebrities' places, houses, and all we've been to in Dubai, and that was nice. So once they both traveled, okay, and Sharon was like, "Tonight we're going to some Indian actor's house. We're going and all that crap." And I'm like, "Okay." Afzal was super excited. He was like, we're going." I'm like, "Yeah, okay." This guy fell sick.
Yeah, I was so sick. I couldn't go
Oh
anywhere.
my
Terribly
god.
sick.
I think I had like COVID the second time. I was so sick. I thought I was
Oh
gonna die for like 10 days. I couldn't get out of the house.
Cold. He had a cold. His threshold of pain is also only so much. So
Yeah.
please.
I thought I was gonna die.
No,
How
yeah,
do you
he
know?
thought. Only he
You
thought.
gotta respect my feelings.
Oh, shut up. Saliha. Steamer. Saliha. Tablet.
Yeah,
I
dude.
hate it when he's so
I
irritating when
want-
he's sick.
I want to be taken care of.
Dude. And if you don't want to, also he'll ensure you will.
You know, like I would shit on him, but I'm the exact same.
Yeah.
So like I can't say anything.
No. Oh, God, no. No.
I'm so needy when I'm sick. It's not okay.
Yeah, you know why she's like this?
Why?
Because she's the sort of person. Her hand is cut off. Also, next day she'll go to work.
Yeah.
Oh.
It doesn't matter. Her leg is cut off. Oh yeah, that's just okay. I
Yeah.
just
That's how you're supposed to be.
no. If you are sick, you have to take rest.
You have to take
If
rest.
you're
You have
sick,
to
but there's a
feel
level-
better.
See, no. I feel like when you're sick, you have to take rest, and other people should all love you.
This guy's like,
Like you need that attention, that care.
Yeah, I'm with you on that.
Yeah, yeah. Otherwise, like you don't recover
Or
properly.
maybe I never got that. That's why.
Yeah, maybe.
I got used to it. Now he'll cut this part and he won't put it out.
Okay, guys, thank you for watching this episode. I hope you
I
enjoyed
don't
this.
even know if this is an episode.
whatever this was.
Yeah.
No, I enjoyed it.
Only you enjoyed it. I didn't.
I think Manas was great.
Thanks.
And Joby and Celia.
Oh, it's
Thank you
okay,
guys.
it's okay. After this, he's coming with us home.
Yeah. We're not taking it this side. Huh? No, my
Okay, bye guys. See you. Take care. Love you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.